What do you need?
Answer your door.
What do you need?
She thought they were messing with her water.
Fuck you playing no more?
To answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello?
Answer your door.
What do you need?
You guys keep fucking messing with the water, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you.
I'm at work and no one else is here. No one is messing with the water. No one is messing with the water. You can have a good day. No one's messing with the water. You can have a good day. Have a good day. No one's messing with the water. I'm at work. No one else is home.
You don't fucking work.
Too many delivery thieves out here.
Girl, somebody dropped it off, took a picture of it, and then took it. And we literally were like, they're gonna come to our door. I have the ring footage. I'm not kidding.
They let a stray dog into their home.
Yes, the gate's open. We're gonna move so then you guys can be able to bring them out. What the hell's that dog? What? A dog just went through the door. Fucking get it? What the hell? I don't know. There's a fucking dog in the house. Oh my god.
He got tired of the camera. They were called for a potential disturbance at the home.
At this point, we asked for police. We don't even know for sure what apartment is in.
Police. Yeah? Can you just open the door for us so we can talk to you?
Sure.
We're hearing a lot of commotion going on. Just want to make sure you guys okay.
For what? You okay?
We're hearing yelling.
Screaming.
Yeah.
We're not screaming, we're watching baddies.
That's a movie?
That's baddies.
No. Next time, it won't be no next time, baby girl. I'll.
He might be a little intoxicated.
You are currently being recorded.
Justin, why are you peeing by my door?
Hey, sweetie, I swear to God, I apologize. I couldn't hold it.
All right, but you could have went anywhere else. You could have went by the bushes. That's nasty.
Hey, sweetie, I apologize. Please forgive me. I see you see me. I apologize. I swear I apologize. I apologize.
No problem. But next time, just go by the bushes. That's all.
No. Next time, it won't be no next time, baby girl. I apologize.
Yeah, you could have picked a tree,
Baby,
anything.
that's not my character.
It's fine, no problem. It's okay, but
Baby
just
girl,
next time.
I'm just walking. Me. It's like I apologize. I swear.
No problem.
You see my hands up in the air.
All right.
Just coming from somewhere, walking up the.
All right, get home safe.
Please forgive me.
No problem. Get home safe.
Thank you very much. I apologize from my heart, sweetie. I apologize. It's not me. Thank you.
No problem. Get home safe.
You are currently being recorded.
Watch what happens next.
This is a start.
I shouldn't sit down in here. I was talking about it.
Anytime you want.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a seat.
Very kind of him.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, my goodness. Thank you.
Much more comfortable.
Oh my God, yes. Thank you.
Here, the cat will keep you company.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
How many pets does she have in this home?
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Hello?
this was a bobcat scream.
You alright?
FedEx driver throws package. No solicitors allowed.
Head inside, Dad. I'm doing all right. Good. What are you selling?
Pest control.
Okay.
I just really knocked on the doorbell 3 seconds ago. All
Gotcha.
good?
Huh?
All good?
Yeah. I'm
You in the
just.
neighborhood as well?
I'm just kind of. Yeah, this is my place. I was just kind of wondering. how you were.
Who I was?
Come on, let's go. I was just kind of wondering how you're signing people up for stuff if you clearly can't read. No soliciting. Thanks. Have a great day.
This 100-pound package fell on this little boy. She was being chased by a dog. They were caught stealing on the porch.
Shotgun, fucking shit on the seat.
What was his goal? They both got a little too excited. Stay safe out there. Their neighbor thought they were slick. Nothing wrong with a little competition. People still do this with cameras pointed straight at them.
Hello? Where are you going with those? Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I saw you take the pictures and then walk off with them.
Thank you.